Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Now let's take a third dua for visiting a sick person. The Prophet ﷺ said, if anyone pays a visit to a sick person whose death time has not reached yet and recites 7 times this dua on him, then the sick person will get the relief. And the dua is, As'alullah al-Azim, Rabbal Arshil Azim, an yashfiyak. What does that mean? I ask Allah the Mighty, the Rabb of the Mighty Throne, to cure you. As'alu. As'alu means I ask. As'alu, I ask. Allah, I ask Allah. The object, who is the object? Who are you asking? Allah. So it will be Allah. As'alullah, I ask Allah. Al-Azim, the Mighty, who is magnificent, the Mighty. Rabbal Arshil Azim, the Rabb of the Mighty Throne. Al-Arsh, Arsh means throne. Rabbal Arshil Azim, the Rabb of Mighty Throne, and that Yashfiya, he cures, ka you, and Yashfiyak, to cure you. Azm means bone in Arabic language. Azm, okay, bone, any bone. And Azim means such a great personality that no one can bend him or apply any influence or pressure on him. So first of all, we say As'alullah al-Azim. Allah is mighty and magnificent, and then his throne is also great, mighty throne. So generally kings and rulers construct huge palaces and magnificent thrones to show their power and influence. So remember, Allah is the sole owner and possessor of this universe, and his mighty throne is the most magnificent thing in this universe. He commands everybody and everything at all places, and therefore for him to remove any disease is no problem at all. Mentioning Allah's attributes such as Al-Azim, Rabbal Arshil Azim increases the chances of acceptance of a dua. It also strengthens the hope of cure in the sick person's mind. Allahu Alam. Analyze and memorize. As'alullah al-Azim, Rabbal Arshil Azim, an yashfiyak. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.